Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Dom apricot preserves and lime crime peaches and cream. Yummy. I've got stamping plate EDK out today. This is one I picked up from Polish Pickup, I believe. Here it is, EDK. It has no other markings on it, but it's like fruits and stuff and drinks and whatever. It's got, you know, all kinds of different. It's got a little flower image. And then, I don't know, wheat. I don't know what all that stuff is, but we're going to get the film off of it. It's just a clear plastic film on this one. And I'm going to clean it with some acetone. Now, let me tell you, this plate's engraved like nobody's business because it was eating up my lint-free wipe. I mean, I'll be using bases loaded lacquer on the black and a Maniology cube stamper and my H. Lacosadora scraper. And I'm not using it on the black. Here I'm using shutout, excuse me. I'm just gonna do out this image and we're gonna fill it in. Do some advanced stamping today. So that's like the center of an orange or a grapefruit or whatever. Today it's going to be filled in with apricot preserves. I didn't have any apricot images, or if I do, I didn't know about them. So we're just going to stick with this. I figured this orange was luscious enough. This apricot preserves was nice enough orange to use for an orange image. And I don't know why I'm going so around the edge like that, because I end up doing all of it the same color. I guess maybe I thought I was going to do something different. Who knows? When I get to playing, sometimes my mind just goes blank and the fun takes over. So there we go. We got the orange painted and I'm looking. And then I decided, okay, go ahead and do all of it. Just do all of it. The rind, I guess, for the orange rind. But really, really beautiful polishes. So I'm doing accent nail for this manicure, and we'll get to that part of it here in just a little bit. Gotta finish. I wanted to get my decal going first so it could be drying while I, get the rest of my manicure ready for the decal to go on. Yay! So pretty, nice and bright. I am gonna go over this with the sticky base. I was just trying this. I figured maybe if I made it tacky, it would, go to the nail better. I don't know. I'm probably going to stick with the Wet n Wild Clear. I've started off with IMK Peeleze on my nails, and I'll be using apricot preserves again. And then this is lime crime, peaches and cream. I don't even know if this company still exists anymore. This is a super old polish. I had a collection of theirs. I remember way back in the day, there was some kind of faux pas over them. I don't know what it was about. But since I paid good money for the polishes, I'm going to use them. And here we go with peaches and cream on my wobbly, warped washboard nail. Whatever. I'm going to get some paint on it, make it look pretty. And this has not got a really great formula, but you guys know if you ever deal with like bleached neons or pastels, sometimes they're just chalky and not so great, and it'll be okay because I'm going to smooth it all out with some top coat anyway. So we're doing our second coat of everything now, and I think I'm just going to do 2 coats. I think 2 coats will work out just fine. And then I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Gonna get that to dry down so we can put our decal on and make it pretty. So I'd gotten all those Jams and Jellies collection from Dom, and I really, really wanted to get them all used before they got lost in my collection. Look at that. So I am going to apply the Maniology sticky base to this here nail that I'm going to put the decal on. And like I said, that other one's been sitting off to the side drying. Okay, well, I lost the footage of me sticking it on the nail, but you guys know I just took the stamper and I stuck it to the nail. And now we're doing our little bit of cleanup. My camera, sometimes I think it hates me. I think it just shut off. Make me look bad in front of everybody. So there we go. We're tapping down and going around the edges, making it smooth. And now I'm going to top it with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. That's so that that stamping part that's sticking out don't get, smeared. Once that's totally dry, I'm hopping in here with my Poshe top coat. Gonna get this one all finished up right here, right now. There we go. Awesome. Here's my swatch photo of the glossy. And now I'm going to add Anchor and Heart Sea Glass Fairy Slipper top coat to it. I don't know who recommended this to me. It was one of you guys. I love this matte top coat. I really do. It's really nice. I'm happy to have one that I am enjoying and I can depend on. So I'm going to do the matte top coat so that y'all can see what it looks like mattified. Mattified. I don't know, for some reason I'm all hooked on it now. I'm all into it. I love it mattified. So that is it for me today. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.